Okay, so we got some of this Keto Activate, the dark chocolate truffle flavored ketones that they sent to us so that we could show it to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some into my coffee here. It has a little bit of a cocoa powder type of a flavor to it, a chocolatey flavor, because I got some on my fingers, so I know. But it says start out with about a half a scoop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to my coffee to give it a little chocolatey flavor. So in my cup, I have my coffee and my monk fruit and stuff like that. I'm going to add the Keto Activate and see how that tastes. But I bet you it is delicious. It smells really good, too. Just opening the powder can, it smells really good. But it's a really nice, of course, ketones. It's got no hormones. It's all natural flavors, no soy, gluten-free, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, we're going to give it a try here as soon as the water boils. Okay, we're going to pour some water into our coffee cup here. Ooh, that looks good. We'll stir it up. Okay, look at that. So I use the Colombia Via Instant Starbucks packets here as my coffee, and then some monk fruit and the Keto Activate dark chocolate truffle. I have the Duralife monk fruit in here, which I like a lot, so that's good. And we're gonna give this a try, see how we like it. Ha ha ha! It smells good. It smells kind of chocolatey. Hot, 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 hot. Fogged up my glasses even. How about that? You can taste the chocolatey in there. It does taste like a chocolate truffle in my coffee even. So that makes a really good coffee. Wow, I like that. Okay, good stuff. Thanks for sending that. Awesome.